Hello everyone. So welcome to the new series of Quants, and this is going to be the first question from the first topic, that is speed, distance, and time. So in this, like what I'll do, I'll take one question from the previous year. It can be clerk, it can be SBI, PO, or bank PO, or anything. And as I'll try to explain all the possible solution, all the types, and then after you will get two questions to do, and as you can solve, and you can verify your answers as well. Now let's start with the first question. A boy travels from point A to point B. So let's say this is point A, this is point A. From point A he is going till point B, and what is the speed? He went with 60 km per hour. Fine. And he moves back from, so from here again he came back to A with the speed of 20 km per hour. Then further he goes from, again he goes, wow, again he goes from A to B at 50 km per hour. Find the average speed of a journey. So one very important thing, if you could understand, from A to B, the distance is same. It means constant. So let's say the distance can be d. So how many times total he traveled? First time d, then second time he came back to d, and again 3. So we'll go with the first method, that is the traditional method. And before we get into this, actually the formula is speed equals to distance by time. But they are asking the average speed. So average speed is equals to total distance by total time. Okay, this thing you need to remember. Now let's get started. So how about the total distance? And distance formula is nothing but, okay, distance will be equal to time into speed, but we don't have the time factor. So what we'll do, we'll take in terms of t. So let's say that in time t1, why I'm taking time? Because distance is same. If it is given that the time is same, then we would have taken in terms of distance, but the distance is same. So t1 is the time taken from A to B first time. So that will be d by, and what is the speed? D by s. Speed will be 60 kilometer. Fine. Then t2. How about the t2 from B to A? That will be again d2 d by d. Then how about t3? It will again from here to here. So as distance is same, we need to take same thing. Fine. This is, so total time is this plus this plus this. Fine. Next, how about total distance? Now total distance is how much? Total distance is first d, then second time he went from B to A, and even third time he went from B to, sorry, A to B again. So total it will be 3D. Now, so average speed, total, I mean, average speed in this thing is total distance 3D by total time, that is D by 60 plus. Though it can be like it's looking so complicated, but I want to tell all the methods. This is going to be the first method. D plus 60 plus D by 20 plus D by 50. So what it is? Time 1 plus time 2 plus time 3. That is total time. Now, if you further see 3D, so you need to take the LCM 60, 20, and 50. 60, 20, and 50. Why this method is important? Because let's say in case if you forget the formula and you feel that you still have time, so you can solve by using this method, though I will tell you the shortcut method as well. So 50, so obviously it will be 50, okay, 300 it will be. Fine. Why? Because 6 5s are 30, 2 15s are and 5 6 are. Fine. So as it will be 300 is going to be your LCM. So 6 5. So 5D plus 15D as I'm writing direct, right? And 6D. Fine. And above we have here, okay, sorry. I have written here, right? Will be 3D. That is equals to, so this 300 goes up and it will become 900D by, fine, 900D by 15 plus 6, 21 plus 5, 26D. So D cancel, 2 452s and here 13. So 450 by 13. Is there any option? Yes, we have first option. So this is going to be the first method. Fine. Now let me tell you the second method. Second method is very, very easy method. Okay. Hope you understood this. In case if you understood, please follow us. Okay. In the meanwhile, let me erase. Why am I erasing instead of doing on the other, so that you can easily see the question. Fine. Now let's go with the method two. Method two is very simple. Just one thing you need to remember. Here, in case of method two, if the distance is constant, simply what you have to do, just take the LCM of whatever the speed 60, 50, and 20. And what is the LCM? That is 300. And whatever the LCM that you get, that will be the distance from A to B. This is distance from A to B. But as it has traveled almost how many times? 3 times. So it will be 300 into 3. So total 3 times, that's why 900 kilometers. Fine. Okay. It's not meters. Fine. Now, as we know, average speed equals to total distance by total time. Then how you can find out the time? So time T1, and what was the first distance? 300. 300 by 60. How much you'll get? 5 hours. Then T2, that is 20, right? So 300 by 20, 15 hours. And T3 is 300 by, okay, 50. So 0 cancel, 5 into 6, 6 hours. Now, so average speed is equals to total time, that is 900 by 5 plus 15 plus 6. 5 plus 15 plus 6. That is nothing but 900 by 26. Again, you'll get 450 by 13. Why? Because 452 is a 13 2 is a. This is sorry, kilometer per hour. This is one of the easiest method. In case if you want to go with the third method, this is the second method. Fine. Now let's go with the third method. What you will find in the third method? Third method is known as the formula method. Like you might be aware of average distance, average speed between 2 points. Let's say if it is A to B and B to A. So it will be, in case of two, I mean from A to B and B to A, it used to be 2xy by x plus y. But as soon as we got 3 points, even the same question would be asked from A to B and B to C. And then again C to B also they may say, or C to D, whatever. So as the distance is same, formula will not change. That is 3xyz average speed. Average speed, if the distance is same, in that case xy, probably you may remember the same formula we used to go in case of three persons working together in time work as well. Yz, but don't worry, zx. So what is this x? X is the 60. First one, 60 kilometer per hour. Y is equals to 20 and z equals to 50. Let me solve for you. 3 into 60 into 20 into 50 by 60 into 20 plus 50. Okay. 50 into 20 or 20 into 50, fine. And 50 into 60. Again, if you'll go with this, you'll get the same answer. But let me, 6 to the 12. 1200 plus 5 to the 10. How many zeros? Two more zeros. 5, 6, 30. I would recommend you not to go with this, but in case if you forget, so only for your understanding. 5, 6 are 30 and two more zeros. Now, here, as usual, I'm not doing any calculation because after the final calculation, you can cross the things. Fine. 3 into 60 into 20 into 50 by 3000 plus 1000, 4000, 5000, 5200. Is it? Sorry, 000, 3000. Okay, 00. Fine. 1, 1. Cancel. I mean, two zeros. No. Which table shall we go with? Okay, let's go with two table. 26, and here it is going to be 30. Then here 13, and here it will be 15. Now let's do 15 threes are 45. 45 twos are 90. 95 are 450. So again, you'll get the same answer, that is 450 by 13 kilometer per hour. So whatever the method you want, you can go through. And this was the question which was asked in IBPS Clerk 2024. So please keep practicing. And for that, like I have written two questions. Okay, so instead of person, here it is cyclist. I have taken cyclist travels from point A to B at this particular speed and returns B to A, same thing. So I would recommend you to go with the second method in case if you feel you forgot. So watch again and you will get the answer as 15 kilometer per hour. In case if you don't get this answer, so please comment in the comment section. And at the same time here as well, go with this question as well. So first do one thing, first solve the first one, I mean the second one, then after come to this. And if you are able to solve these two questions, your concept will be very much clear. Hope you understood. Okay, so we'll meet with next time in our next session. Till then, keep learning and keep enjoying.